Now let's meet in an open space so that we'll feel very comfortable.
But babe, nobody will disturb us in my place.
No, babe, please. I insist. Please.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Okay, bye.
Women.
Babe. What's this place now? Why did you bring me here?
It's not that we should meet in an open place. This is an open place now, Abby. It's not open enough.
Babe.
Hello my people on a day within the sup, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, Comedy Reaction. So guys, this is going to be very short, you understand? So make sure to watch to the very end and make sure to subscribe, you understand, in case you are coming across my channel for the very first time, you feel me? So don't play my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Shaggy.
Come, I beg. If passenger no dey here, come up for here, go another place.
Come on for where? Come on to that penny.
Come on, stop it. Hold up.
One what they inside. People dey. Okay, people know this. People dey inside before what? See, one go please for that side. The other go buy bed. They go join now. One day. As you enter now, only one person go remain. Enter. You go now. Enter.
Java, wait me all this one now. Conductor. Did you talk to boss don't?
Auntie, she be coming to say that go peace now. She be the peace for body.
Yeah, you dey lie, I bet.
Hey, auntie, look at me. Rest it.
Jesus.
Rest in
Auntie,
peace.
calm down, we dey go now. I beg, make I buy you grano, me use that one do refreshment.
Bros, they go. I forgot you get space. You don't see my space. Wale. Yes, space. Come out. Hey, Wale. What did I tell you? I think.
Jesus.
What's the smell like? You say waiting.
My people, now good afternoon. We don't come again with our Ogbonge about painkiller.
Hey, wait, Oga painkiller. Wait. Hey, park him on there. Oga. Hey, bole, daddy.
Oga boss, now waiting I do.
What you do? You carry dead rat for your back.
Dead rat care. Yeah, you see dead rat. That are not there now.
You don't know say they back.
Ba, waiting big ba.
The smell.
Me smell. Oga told that thing again now. About 2 times this morning.
Oga, shut up, I beg. You almost give me the smell for here.
My mommy, you not enter this bus again.
Enter where? This one not the enter anywhere. Oga, now the better person. I don't go lie for you. Hey, you get body with You see this one? Go, make I tell you. Cosmo, now the real game changer.
Cosmo,
If you use that, you go give you the confidence to sell your market as you like. Take, may no use body odor. Pursue your guardian angel. I don't know.
Oga, no carry me again.
Maria carry. I don't know.
If I come carry him now, she won't give him.
I don't know. Calm down now. Where daddy? Hey, Bros, come. Where you go? Where your money?
I'm not getting money. I be staff.
You say you be waiting.
Stop.
Staff I be.
Staff. You go cause I be staff. Hey, Oga. I'll give you money job.
Oga, I don't think I don't get money. I don't get money to give you. I be staff. I said I be staff.
Staff of waiting now.
If you talk here, you be staff again. I go use to come on your 35.
Okay, what did they do you? Who tell me you be staff? Where your ID card? See my ID card. Come.
You dey wine.
Nepa staff. Abolobu. Nepa staff.
Staff na waiting. Staff no be staff.
Oh yeah, staff. Now today go know say me staff for Yabane.
Never stop. Don't you man, the job say you stop. You know why?
Children, so I stay there for bed by this time. When I don't go school, maybe I'm gonna come down from that bed, also. You know they hear me? Can you imagine?
You sure say you never peace for bed? This one where they peace.
So you still peace for bed today?
Which kind of thing is it now? Why you go come wear my clothes? Can't wear me your clothes now.
You peace for bed?
Old man wear the peace for bed.
You go faint. What you go tell you?
You peace for bed today?
Mama bed now.
No, at this your age.
Mama breast.
At this your age.
You can't go change their clothes.
London,
You can't go change their clothes. What's in this one they drag? Okay, build house. My house to the drag. To the drag. Yeah, I build house. House and a new car. Yeah.
GMO is the way. No, we will not take that. We will not accept it.
Honorable members, please. Decorum. As the Commissioner for Agriculture, I think I'm in a better position to address this issue. I don't think the question is whether we need GMO or not. I think the big question is, what is the government doing about insecurity? Because come to think of it, a lot of farmers have been displaced from their farm as a result of this. We have one of the richest soils in the world. Yes. And these same soils are being exported to other countries. Other countries are looking at mechanized farming. Have we considered introducing mechanized farming into the country? The answer is no. Are we going to buy these seeds on a one-off ground? Or we'll keep buying them on an auto, renewal? Are we going to keep coming to you every year to buy this seed for every time we need them? I am talking to you. Answer me. Are the farmers going to be able to afford it every year? What is the effect of these genetically modified organisms on our soils? The farmers, would they be able to plant our natural seeds on that same soil?
As the Commissioner for Health, I don't think we should dabble into GMO, as we have not done our nutritional research on its long-term effects on our people. And these checks do not take short terms. It's a long-term process. So I think we should be sure of what we are getting ourselves into.
Hey.
I know where I stand. Jesus, I say to the people, it's in my interest to protect the people. And the Commissioner for Health, of course, agrees with me on this.
Speak for yourself.
Blood of Jesus.
GMO. They reject that kind of thing. This thing is like vitamin C. I take it morning. I even take it in the afternoon. I take it at night. What happened? What changed? Well, we decided to put everything behind us.
And the honeymoon of lies is over.
GMO, we stand.
We have a culture of food preservation, not food security, but food sustainability. Next time you're eating a fruit and it doesn't have seeds, throw it away.
We have succeeded in displacing all the farmers in major areas of farm production. So agricultural production now will solely rely on government.
That's perfect. Exactly what I wanted you to do. So right now, you and I, we're going to make a lot of money.
A lot of money. I love that. Thank you, honorable members, for coming.
Our heart are busy, sir.
Thank you, Commissioner,
let's
for help. Of course, even though we experienced some kind of shortcomings during our conversation, but we know where we stand. GMO is coming.
Look, I will not accept this. No. But come and put me down.
Continue sitting with the people.
Let's see the edit.
Governor Amuneke is set to approve the introduction of GMO into the state. In a closed-door meeting that lasted for 2 hours, the Commissioner for Agriculture spent 1 hour 50 minutes of the time with a strong voice trying to convince the Governor Amuneke the importance of introducing GMO into the state. He was so committed that he refused to come down from his chair even after the meeting.
Blood of God.
Hello, babe.
Hi, baby.
Hey, how are you now?
I'm fine. How are you?
Babe, you know that this is 1 week now that we started dating online. And we've not met. And you know we're supposed to meet today.
Yeah, I remember.
So I stay at number 22.
No, babe. This is the first time we are meeting. Don't you think we should meet in an open space?
Babe, which one is open place again now? Come to my house. In my house, I have Netflix. I have fuel, like an own generator. We can watch movie anytime. We can talk. I'll even give you drink. We can just chill.
No, babe. There's no way I will come to your place in the first date now. Let's meet in an open space so that we'll feel very comfortable.
But babe, nobody will disturb us in my place.
No, babe. Please. I insist. Please.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, bye.
Women.
Babe.
Hey, open space.
What's this place now? Why did you bring me here?
It's not that we should meet in an open place. This is an open place now. It's not open enough.
Babe. I mean, a comfortable place where me and you can just sit and talk.
It's only me that here now. That's the problem. I mean, no, any other person here.
No, Nabi, you don't understand me. Like, I mean, a place where we can just eat, sit, talk, drink, and just have a good time together. Not this place.
If you tell me say that hunger they do you now, which I be say open place.
Babe, are you just leaving me here?
Cynthia, go home.
Babe,
I'm not using my money to feed anybody. You go and work.
My girl get picking.
Surprise!
What is it now?
Daddy, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Daddy, remember last week you showed me a picture of you and Jazzy on your phone, and you told me that you two were close friends, were childhood friends.
Are you serious?
And I noticed how you liked that picture very well, so I had to frame it and give it to you.
Wow.
Are you serious? How did you do it?
Daddy, see, it's very simple. Let me show you. See, I just went to www.pixable.com, then I uploaded the photo and chose the frame style that I like. Their website is very easy to use and it works like magic. See, I'm even surprised they even delivered it perfectly fine and very fast.
It's perfect. You did not even see it. Let me open it and see now.
You like it, right?
Like it. I love it.
clap for Trigger.
This film is not in it, and very high quality.
Yes, now see, Daddy, if you have a picture, any picture that you love, just give it to Pixable.
Yes.
Yes.
I also have one picture that I love. Let me show you. Help me give them this one. Let them frame it too. Take care.
Daddy, what is this?
I slap you. What is what? Oh, you went to put your boyfriend and WhatsApp to and then you blocked me from seeing it. Have you?
Daddy, this is AI. Somebody's trying to frame me.
Very good, eh? Let me be person and frame you well. You need to pick people to frame it for me. When my mother comes back, I'll show her. Before Abraham, Jesus was. Give my phone.
Let's have it.
Give my phone.
Daddy.
What is it?
I also have another picture that I would like to frame for you.
You want to bribe me, eh? Let me see.
Let me show you.
See, I don't want to listen to my advice.
Don't cry.
Don't worry. Jesus.
Oh.
Jesus.
Yeah? How did you get this picture?
Daddy, don't worry. Calm down. When mommy comes, I'll show her. Before Abraham, Jesus was.
Go to the bonfire.
Sharp.
Apart from boy or girl,
Go to the bonfire.
Another thing.
Babe, please now.
I said I'm done. Is it by force?
Ìwọ tó bá ti gbé obìnrin lórí ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́ finally.
So this is love.
This is playing. What type of plane is this?
Very wicked man. I see black.
Oh. Brother, hello.
Chairman, I greet you. Well done.
Now you there with this babe now?
I don't understand. I don't understand. Hello? Bro, how far? I don't get you talk. Hey, who's that guy?
I don't know him.
What do you mean don't know? You can't see what he's saying. Say now you do.
This one is can't hear what he's saying. What are you trying to say?
No, you. What are you trying to say?
No, you. What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say I'm cheating on you or what?
No, if you're not cheating, then what is he saying?
Oh, you ask him.
So they've been passing you around.
Passing me around.
I don't understand.
Really?
Yeah, now. None of us, they single.
I know soon I waiting one tonight.
Alpha, chairman, they don't break. Give me my money, make I they go here.
Okay. Baby girl, you did a wonderful job last night. I will put something to join your money. Call me your account number, I'm put up for your OP.
I know now. I want to take transfer. Cash, I would. Now last week I start this work.
Cash?
Yes.
Madam Cash and carry. No, Alan, I'm going to go ask somebody use POS for you now.
Who do they collect transfer now? So, OS, we still they collect cash.
It is in our play.
May the peace of the Lord be with you. Man of God, and also with you, sir. Young lady, can I see you for a minute? Okay. Man of God, any problem?
It is time for miracle.
How are you? Young lady, have we met before?
No.
Do you know me?
No.
Have we spoken before?
No.
Do I know you? But I know you. Your name is Choma. Your mother's name is Victoria.
What is that?
And your father's name is Kelechi.
Man of God, yes.
Let me go into your father's compound.
Hey.
In your father's compound, there's a mango tree.
Yes, Pastor. Yes.
Under the mango tree, there's a guava.
Hey, man of God.
You know why I'm telling you this?
You think it's a joke?
Because that man you are with is a ritualist. I will advise you not to leave this place.
No, man of God, you never pay me. Now I won't collect my money.
I'm getting to that point. Once he give you that money, you will turn to a cock. You better run for your life now before something bad happens to you. Jesus.
Okay.
You walk. You walk. You walk.
Man of God, you acted very well. For my own sake.
You go
God
cry.
Mercy upon us.
You do transfer and make it.
Baby girl, you did a wonderful job in there.
Hey, I know there for your review. Do transfer, make it go.
May the peace of the Lord be with you.
And also with you, Pastor.
Okay.
Young lady, can I see you for a minute?
Hey! Pato.
Man of God.
Azal now. Man of God with the horse.
Hey, Sabia Pato.
Oh yeah, man of
God. Man, I see to transfer.
I know they like that nonsense now.
I know. You know I love you so much.
Capon, what's the bone of contention now? Who is this person you moved out like this?
No be that nonsense boy. In their mind, they rock my babe. They touch my babe waist. Some when no sabi sing. Now so them they do. In get love. I for wasting generation. No nonsense. Afa, who be this man?
Ha, this one is a grassroots sophisticated artist.
Shut down.
I brought him from the grassroots. I picked him up. And I said you are the only person that can rise his career to the apex. Please help him. That's why we are here, Capon.
Ah boy, you know, so I don't hustle. I don't make money for street. I want to invest for music. Upstairs, I be sing song.
He's sophisticated.
Ah boy, play your song for me.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Carry your capon, babe. Carry the whole of for ways like that.
Now the song be this. Oh boy, this guy sabi sing go.
I told you.
No worry, I go put 50 million naira for this guy. Jesus! Any artist will no agree me blow pass out. I go blow a head. I say I go blow a head for the streets. You hear me?
See who get big song here.
Boy, what I do to? Just sing.
You they go now, they go.
See who get song here.
Who get that song where they play?
My song with this now. I just drop them on all streaming music platforms right now. They're
That
everywhere.
is Montana.
Boy, who get that song where they play?
Now my song. When I record the song, said the producer was not there. I did it alone. Nobody.
Boy, you say that your song?
But now my jam be this so. The title na Rodo and my name na Montana.
If na your song, sing out with that beat.
That one na small so.
Okay.
Girl, you remind me of Father Money because of a thing you carry. I no go mind what I naked inside your garden. Make me and you enjoy the apple for the middle. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh. For Addis Ababa, get me and you go live full la vida loca. Fly you down to Paris, there you come on Savade. Early morning missionary, girl, we be preaching. Whoa.
Hold on. Boy, see, don't provoke me. Don't make me vex. Boy, you say that your song? Sing this song without this beat.
Ma sing am again. Someone already sing for studio.
The management was now aware.
Man, this girl let me play. Boy, sing this song without this beat.
I can't go through that stress. Ma play am.
Let me play.
So I can sing, girl. Let's play with you.
Bros.
Boy, you see that the body way inside? Shift on one side. Go put this new one. And
when I call your mama, when I call your mama.
Bros, madam, you wear your phone. For what?
Call my mama, call my mama. Call my mama.
I'm waiting. Bros, call my mama, bros, madam. Flash am.
Major shots.
Madam, good afternoon.
You know they.
You think it's a should be no, then I greeting, I just they greet you.
Now for clap, dance the start.
God have mercy.
Oh, they go, no credits.
How we not from club? You know, what tell you say me I won't buy something, say?
Buy care. You dey buy something? No be borrow, you dey borrow.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Now so life be. Now so when I go take do pursue na engine. You don't even know what that be engine. Anyway, I get better information when I be won't give you, Sha.
Are you serious? What information you get from me?
I know say you go turn to find out what be the information. Now very important information. But before I tell you, you go borrow me Gary 100 naira, sugar 15 naira.
Hey, Atasa! Oh, God, come over for you.
Yo, are you taking the piss? What's on play? What's on show? Why would you be saying on play on show?
Low battery, please charge.
On play, on show. Lana.
Low battery, please charge.
He wants to steal the thing.
Lana.
Power off. Babe, do you have any hot girl picture on your phone?
Hot girl, okay. Hey, I don't get to see. I the Chris. I don't get any gift on my phone. No, this is a peaceful day. Please, I don't have any gift on my phone. Bruh.
So what you are trying to say is you don't have any picture of me on your phone, eh? Adetola?
Mommy, how do you get it?
How do you not get here? Simple question.
I get. No, I'm not that one. But don't talk now. My baby, my sweetie coco.
Yeah, let me see.
Lam. I don't get it.
Oh my God. Adetola. So this is the picture you claim to have, right?
Jesus.
Eh?
You can like swipe more like.
I should swipe or I should swipe your phone away. Right, Adetola? Am I what? I'm asking a simple question and showing me rubbish. My phone. Nonsense. Your phone. Simple question and say rubbish. Men, they will stay in your white.
Language. Nobody they stay anywhere.
Language. Joe!
Oh yeah, money from the back. Your money. Some money change you. Everybody hold your change. Okay, your money.
Shame. I'm all staff will me.
Staff, you tell me before you enter say you be staff.
You tell me before you
be staff again.
Begin. Staff mo be je. Okay. Okay, where your money? Okay, your money.
I won't tell titi nínú Asogbo.
Oh no, you don't customer will lele. Staff say waiting again.
Our guy to gbé down for you gan model to I thank you ladies and gentlemen. Le man sọ fún atro.
Okay, where your own money?
Show mo ko me ko yàtọ̀ sáré ku ni. Gari ni ìpolówó staff la wa.
Say waiting. Oh yeah, 3 is a crowd. Oga mi. Be like say we go stop. I can't do this anymore. Timothy sanwó lodi, Timothy sanwó parking. Staff mẹ́ta ke kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Mẹ́ta. Oya boya ma bole.
Sorry, please guys, see, please, some of us are going to work. Please answer this lady so we can go. As you can see, the driver is a female. Even the conductor is also a female. So this is going to look like cheating. Please, guys, understand and let us just go.
Oh, the bá sanwó na. Woto tule ma mọ̀ pé ẹjọ́ fún tó fi tọ́mọ láti kékeré náà ló padà. Face me and slap you lọ fi tọ́ ya ẹ̀ dàgbà olóṣì. Oníyà ọmọ táṣẹ́ ó bí fólì.
Agkaay, stop ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Stop ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn ti ń ṣá. Ẹ bọ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Túnde kọ́ wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Túnde gbàgbà. Túnde gbogbo.
Tani ìyá ìwọ ló gbé dáadáa nínú wàsó ni àbí ìwọ ló fọbọ́ ní 20 naira.
Adi mi sàlẹ̀ mẹ́bí. Wọ́n fún jẹ́ ìmọ̀jú àbúlé burúkú yẹn. Wá tani.
Àwọn olè yìí ọ̀kọ́lá ni mọ́mí ìwéré kò sọ́mọ Èkó. Oya ìyá àdìbò la gbọ́dọ̀ yín lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Bọ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìdíjì. Powers of Lagos ṣé gbé Èkó ẹ̀ ara ni. Lagos boy to the core.
Wà á ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yíwọ̀ náà tí bá gbà yá ilé tí wọ́n ti tẹ̀sẹ̀ lé bọ́ sí sùn.
Wàá gbá etí ìta ni. Wà á ti ta ni. Níwájú ta ni.
Ó dáa mọ̀ ní àwọn oṣù mẹ́ta.
Ọ̀gá pay your money.
Dẹ́rẹ́bà jẹ́ àbámi ọjọ́. Wà dẹ́rẹ́bà. Ó lè bá sọ̀rọ̀ ṣọ̀pọ̀nà mẹ́rin ń bọ̀. Óyá gbogbo yẹn bọ́ lẹ́nu mọ́tò yìí. Àyíwọ̀ yẹn bọ́.
Who dey fight? You don't beat them. Only you don't beat your trick.
Last year.
Hey, only him don't beat your trick.
Alright. What are you trying to want to? What do you want to? Oh yeah. What are you sharing? Oh yeah. Stay. Take your money. Get to the deposit if you're still going. Let's get out of here.
You don't go back to English.
I need to summon Nizas Nisha. What are you sharing?
Baba.
Mama.
Eyes of the gods.
Nose of the gods.
Solution provider.
Problem receiver.
The one that transforms life from good to better.
And from better to worse.
Baba.
Mama.
I get better idea for you.
I never use and make your life better.
The juju where you say you do, they give people money, they make their life better. Why you never do it for your own life? Maybe you come up for this bush.
If na juju they give people money, why everybody no cook matter native doctor? Well, you see this place now, my workshop be this whole.
True, your workshop. That means I feel join you now.
You first go join your ancestors, eh? Come up for here, idiot. Next.
These two guys, myself. Nasboi.
For the past 2 weeks now, a lot of things don't stop inside local flight. One man tried to stop local flights, then give the man ban. Before we go, no, then lift the ban. They can't give the man ambassadorship. Almost immediately, another girl can't get problem inside flight.
1, 2.
They arrest her. Release her. Before you go, no, they don't begin to give the girl a gift left and right. Could this be the new hustle in town?
That's the new hustle, bro.
Today I did international flight. I did reason now. If local compensations they big like this, means say international compensation go big pass.
You they use your function to play.
Should I fight the hostess?
Use your generation to play.
Or should I look for a way to stop this flight?
We do the letter.
Like I know do those ones, person don't do them before. I have to be very unique in my ways.
What that guy?
My guy,
the cigar where I finally smoke inside the flight, though. Jesus. Because I know say this one, the compensation could be very big.
You were not informed too.
Day 17. Day 17.
I don't need pay for this place. Senior man matter with comfort matter no reach like this. Hope say no be waiting I they think.
Well, I think they think. Day 75.
Y'all understand? Say yes, war. Yes, war. I can't hear you. Say yes, war.
Yes, war.
I still can't hear you. Say yes, war.
Yes, war.
If you're not there for years, this is their coming bastard.
Baba, for there you go, boy. No worry. Nobody's coming to save you, bro. Nobody's coming to save you. You don't do that. That's international, not local. You feel me? So anything what you do for international, you will take your head, carry on. You get. Anyways, thanks my people for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. So tell me now, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And in case you never still subscribe, I don't know what you wait for. Make sure to subscribe, my people. Make sure to subscribe. And check out my other videos and plenty. So many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. And see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.